a new race of fusarium, we call it tropical race 4, has evolved. And that particular race of fusarium is knocking almost every banana species out that we know of. Now, to my knowledge, I don't know of any resistance germplasm. So the Cavendish banana, the banana that we eat every day, is in very serious trouble of going the same way that happened to the Gros Michel bananas back in the 60s. It's not unreasonable to think that the bananas that we eat every day could be extinct even as a short a period as 10 years without some sort of intervention. One of the problems we have with banana is the dessert type bananas are sterile. The original parent material that gave rise to the dessert banana, the bananas that have no seeds, have probably been lost. These plants were probably generated 50,000 years ago by a prehistoric woman. She found this and actually kept the plant alive clonally propagating these plants. And this is a banana that probably gave rise to all the different dessert type bananas we have. Given the fact that we have a very limited choice of what we can do from a conventional breeding standpoint is we've elected to use genetic engineering methodologies to try to generate bananas that are resistant to black sigatoka, bacterial wilt, and Fusarium tropical race 4, and nematodes as well. Nematodes are a big problem, and they're small microscopic worms that do a lot of damage to the roots. If a banana plant becomes compromised for some reason, then it becomes more susceptible to these infection from these different fungal diseases or bacterial diseases. We're employing the use of RNA silencing technology to try to create plants that are resistant to the infection of the fungi. So far we have what looks very promising for resistance to black sigatoka. Fusarium, we're still fighting that war. We're still trying to find the right combination of genes. And then we're also using some antibacterial genes to help with the resistance to the bacterial wilt. And that's a project that's moving ahead very well. We have 2 different antibacterial proteins that we're expressing in banana, and lo and behold, these plants essentially are 100% immune to bacterial wilt. We really need technologies for disease resistance in plants. And it isn't just going to be bananas. We have the greening in the citrus greening in Florida and Southern California that's wiping out the citrus industry in the United States. Those plants are under extreme pressure as well. Once again, why that disease came about now, and you know, is there some sort of pressure going on? Temperatures, monocultures, you know, but those kind of things people need to understand are happening because it will have an impact on our food supply. It will have an impact on the price we pay for fruits and vegetables in the marketplace. So it's very important that people understand what's going on.